Hey everybody, it's Karina from Plan and Love, and in this video I'm going to show you how you're able to download some of our free templates for save the date cards here on our website. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go onto the Plan and Love website and find your way over to the stationery and sign section over here. Then we're going to go all the way down to the save the date cards and click that. So when you're in the section, feel free to scroll through all of our different designs that we have. We have a lot of free templates that you're able to download here. And then we have some paid options here as well. Just for this video, I'm going to go ahead and do the French mustard yellow and lavender save the date here. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to the cart. And that's where we're going to check out here. So once you're in the checkout section, you're going to go ahead and if you're a returning customer, feel free to log in, but then you're going to go ahead and just add your billing details. These ones are free, so we won't be billed, but just so we are able to have your contact information so we can actually email you those downloadable files there. So just going to do that. Make sure that the product that we are getting is what we would like. So the French mustard, yellow, and lavender, save the date here. Ahead and say place order. So once we've placed that order, we're going to go ahead and hit this download file here. Like I said, it's all the information's here, and we will email this to you as well. If you don't see that in your inbox, make sure you're checking your spam folder as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click this download here. And then it'll show up there as well. And with every one of these templates that you purchase from us, we will send you this little PDF file, just kind of explaining what this is. So this is the template access here. The link below is your access to the template. So this is the button you would click to download that. And then quickly just how it works, you would log in or create a free account via Canva. Access your template via the link provided above. Click the Use Templates button to save a new copy of the template to your Canva account and begin editing. If the link you provided does not open or you got some sort of error, please try a different browser there. So I'm just going to briefly go through this with you guys, but the Canva editor overview is also included in this PDF. So if you've never used Canva before, this is just a very quick and easy way to show you some of the options that you have. So we have editing texts, changing colors, changing the layer positions of the elements here, downloading the files and how you would do that, and then adding links and stuff here. So we just go through that. And every template we have, you are able to access this PDF. So I'm going to go up here and click to download, and now we have the save the date here. So instead of saying edit template or clicking edit template, I'm going to go use template for new design. And that's going to bring us into the Canva section of this video here. So starting off, just right out of the bat, we're going to say change the file name in this because you're going to want to be able to find it in your computer later. And I'm sure that copy of yellow save the date is not very memorable, and you're not going to be able to find that later. So I would say save it, Sarah and Thomas are getting married. Sarah and Thomas has saved the date. Put the date of the wedding on there. You're going to be able to find that super easy later. But after that, you're free to edit this and design as you please. Any element you'd like can be changed in this, and it is all yours to do whatever you'd like with. So for example, let's say that I really, I like this. I want a bigger S. Maybe I want this to be a little bit bigger, a little taller. Maybe I want to move these up here like that. And my wedding is actually not December 18th, obviously. So I'm going to say July 15th, and then it'll be a different date there, 2026, 36, 26. And then obviously you would change the names and then formal invitation to follow. You can change the wording of that, of course, if you don't like it. Again, everything is customizable. However you want. And maybe you want this element to be at the bottom as well. So a way to do that. So copy and paste, but also click this. And then we have Option or Alt if you are on Windows, And then that's just going to copy and paste that right there. I'm going to go ahead and just flip that and bring that down there. Perfect. That's my design. That is what I'd like for my save the dates to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure, again, my file name is appropriate. And then I can go up here and hit share. And then I'm going to go ahead and download this here. And just for printing and stuff like that, you can go ahead and do PDF standard. That's best for, or excuse me, PDF print. That's best for printing, stuff like that. So yes, that is how you go onto our Plan and Love website and download our save the date templates here. Thank you so much for watching.